Hi everybody. In today's lecture we are going to study to prove cos of x plus cos y is equal to twice cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. Second, cos of x minus cos of y is equal to minus twice sin x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. And in third, sin x plus sin y is equal to twice sin of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. And last, sin x minus sin y is equal to twice cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. Okay, so for this we know that cos x plus y is equal to, we have proved this formula as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, and cos of x plus cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay, these are the two formula which I have studied in our previous lectures. Okay, let it be equation 1 and it has equation 2. So adding and subtracting equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 we get. Now first we add equation 1 and 2. So cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is equal to, it will be here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here it will be get cancelled, so it only remain twice cos x cos y. Okay, write it as equation number 3. And cos x plus y minus cos of x minus y is equal to, now subtracting this both we can write here now cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, minus cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so here it will be sign changes, so cos x cos y will be get cancelled because they are with opposite sign, and it's only remain both with negative sign, minus twice sin x sin y. Okay, write it as equation number 4. Also sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Write it as equation 5 and 6. Again add and subtract these two equation add and subtract equation 5 and 6 we get. Now from this equation both we can write sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y is equal to, here this two will get cancelled, only remain twice sin x cos y. Equation number 7. And after subtraction, sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y will gives, here this both with same sign will be cancelled because it will be negative and it will be positive, so it only remain twice cos x sin y. Okay, write it as equation number 8. Next line, let x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. Therefore x is equal to, x can be from these two equation we can find equation, write it as equation 9, and from this two you can write x is equal to theta plus phi upon 2. Okay, and y is equal to theta minus phi upon 2. Okay, after you get simultaneous solve. Okay, solve it simultaneously, or you can here solve equation 8 and 9. X plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. So value of x adding both will give us twice x is equal to theta plus phi. Therefore x is equal to theta plus phi upon 2. Okay, similarly you can find y is equal to theta minus phi upon 2 after substituting in equation, any one of equations. Okay, now substituting these values in equation, substituting this, the value of x and y in equation 3, 4, 7 and 8. So we get, now when we substitute in equation 3 cos x plus y, here x is equal to theta plus phi upon 2 and y is equal to theta minus phi upon 2. So here left side will be cos of theta plus phi upon 2 plus y is theta minus phi upon 2 and plus cos of theta plus phi upon 2 minus, here it is minus x minus y, theta minus phi upon 2 is equal to, right side is here cos of x plus y, twice cos x cos y, so it will be twice cos of theta plus phi upon 2 into cos y, cos of theta minus phi upon 2. Okay, so after calculating this, it will give cos of, here denominator is same, so we write 2 theta plus phi plus theta minus phi. Okay, so phi will get cancelled in first, plus cos of, here also denominator is same, so here we write 2 theta plus phi minus theta minus plus phi. Okay, here theta will get cancelled, which is equal to twice cos of theta plus phi upon 2 into cos of theta minus phi upon 2. Okay, so here it remains twice theta upon 2 is cos theta plus cos, here it is cos twice phi upon phi, 2 will get cancelled, only remain phi is equal to twice cos of theta plus phi upon 2 into cos of theta minus phi upon 2. Okay, as theta and phi are any real numbers, okay, any real numbers, so we replace theta by x and phi by y. Okay, so we get this as cos x plus cos y is equal to twice cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. Okay, which is our proof of first. Similarly, you can prove remaining 3. Okay, you have to put x and y in equation 4, you will get second cos x minus cos y is equal to minus twice sin x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. Okay, so remaining of cos of x minus cos y is equal to minus twice sin x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2, which is second. Third is sin x plus sin y. When we put in equation number 7, we will get sin x plus sin y is equal to twice sin x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. And for fourth, you have to put in equation number 8. So we will get sin x minus sin y is equal to twice cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. Okay, so remaining part you have to prove it and you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so we will go to next part. So in 21 we have formulas twice cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Second, minus twice sin x sin y is equal to cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Twice sin x cos y is equal to sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. And last, twice cos x sin y is equal to sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Okay, so for this you have to check the previous part. In that we have proved this all four property, cos x plus y plus cos of x minus y, So we put cos x plus y and cos x minus y, you will get twice cos x cos y. Okay, so this part is proved in previous previous example only. Okay, now we go to the next examples or related to trigonometric function. We have to prove that 3 sine of pi by 6 sec of pi by 3 minus 4 sine of 5 pi by 6 into cot of pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so in this solution we have to consider LHS is equal to, it is given 3 sine pi by 6 into sec pi by 3 minus 4 sine 5 pi by 6 into cot of pi by 4. Okay, so here 3. Now sine pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. Sec pi by 3 value is 2 minus 4 into sine 5 pi by 6 can be written as sine of pi minus pi by 6. Okay, into cot pi by 4 value is 1. Okay, so here it will gives us 2 will get cancelled, 3 minus 4 into sine pi minus pi by 6. Okay, so here it is value of pi minus pi by 6, which means, so it is sine pi by x, and sine pi by 6 value is 1/2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2s are, so it will gives 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so here we have used sine pi minus x is equal to formula sine x, and we have substituted the values of sine pi by 6, which is 1/2, next sec pi by 3, which is equal to 2, next sine 5 by 6 we have written in pi minus pi by 6 form. Okay, 6 into pi 6 pi minus 5 is 5 pi upon 6. Okay, this is right in the form pi minus pi by 6, and cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, next example is find the value of sine 15 degree. Okay, so we have sine 15 degree is equal to, you have to write, we know the values of sine 45, sine 30. Okay, so we have to write in the form of sine of 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, so formula of sine x minus y, sine x minus y is sine x which sine 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 sine 30 degree. Okay, we have used sine x minus y formula here. Now sine of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Okay, check the table of sine and cos. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 minus cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 is 1/2. Okay, so it will gives root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus here also 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, so here it can be written as, here denominator is same, so 2 root 2 as it is, and root 3 minus 1, which is value of sine 15 degree. Okay, next example is for your homework. You have to find the value of, so we have to find the value of tan 13 pi upon 12. So you have to write in a form of tan pi plus. Okay, so here if you divide 13 by 12, so it is 12 ones are 12 and remainder is 1. Okay, so it can be written as tan of 13 pi upon 12 can be written as tan of it, here it is 1s are, so here pi plus 1 pi upon 12. Okay, so remainder is 1, so pi upon 12, so it can be 12 ones are 12 12 plus remainder 1, which is 13. So after that you have to take 10a plus b or 10x plus y formula and you have to solve it. Okay, so here answer will be 2 minus root 3 is required answer. Okay, next example is prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x upon sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x. Okay, as we know that cos of x plus cos y is equal to twice cos x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2, and cos of x minus sin x minus sin y, sin x minus sin y is equal to twice cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. Okay, these are the formulas which we have known. Okay, so we have to put in this LHS is equal to, so numerator can be written as here x is 7x and y is 5x, so twice cos of 7x plus 5x, 7x plus 5x divided by 2 into cos of 7x minus 5x divided by 2, totally divided by again twice cos of 7x, here is angle 7 and 5 only, so 7x plus 5x upon 2 into sin of 7x minus 5x upon 2. Okay, so this will be cancelled because both are cos of same angle. Okay, or you can simplify and after that you will cancel. So here it will be twice cos of 7 plus 5, 12 upon 2 is 6x into cos of 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 2 is cos x, and cos 6x into sin x. So here cos 6x will be cancelled for numerator and denominator, and cos 2 will cancel. Cos upon sin is cot x. Okay, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so similarly you can prove that sin 5x minus twice sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos of 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Okay, so this is your homework, so which you have to prove. Okay, so for today we will stop here, and in next lecture we will go to next point, trigonometric equation. Thank you.